Okay, let's get started. This function onMessage is being called whenever we receive a message. It will give these values for us to work on. Author ID, the person who sent the message object, the message itself. Thread ID, if it's a group, it will give this thread ID will be different than author ID. And thread type, which will be thread type.user. Now this part here is to toggle the bot. Get last sent messages from a thread which is our own account. It's on client.uid, it's our own account because we logged in here, see? So it will give us the message. Now for message in toggle, the message will be assigned to ptext. If online in ptext, self-marked as author ID. Now this part here makes shows the bot work if online is in the ptext. If there's anything else in the last message, it will not work. This is to log the info. Assign the message object which we receive from onMessage to message text and lower it so it's easy to work on. Now this part here is the intelligence of a bot. It just checks for these value and then replies this. It works like this only. This part is useless. Okay. Now if it doesn't get any value which it recognizes, it will just throw in this one. Now when this part is over, we will have our reply. It will be based on the message text which we received. Now time to send the message. Send message. This is the function to send the message. If author ID is not equal to self.uid. If we receive a message from ourselves, then it will not reply it. So you can just throw in false here. Self.send message. Text is equal to reply. Send this. Now this makes sure it only sends message if online is in the